Crystal with Crystal's Diversity Creations. So I wanted to do a really quick video. This is going to be on sublimating a photo slate. I'm actually doing it for a memorial service. And so I purchased these off of Amazon. I have the photo slate, some scissors, the image, and some paper just to cover the sublimation, and then lastly a glove because I'm certain it's going to be hot. So we're going to start with the photo slates, and these are just some that I grabbed off of Amazon. I've done the engraving of slates, and I'll put that link to that video in the description. So if you want to take a look at that, I've done that on the Glowforge. But this one I wanted to have full color, so I went ahead and got the sublimation version so that I would be able to do just that. And so just really, I picked it based on price, based on timing, because I needed it for today, so that I can go ahead and get it out of the way. And that was pretty much it. They seem to be very similar. This one, they come in many sizes. They come in hearts. They come in 8x10s, larger. But this one here is actually a it's 6x7.9. So let's take a look at the slate. I've not seen this slate, so let's take a look at it. It comes with a little stand too, so it should be really nice. So here are the little legs for the stand, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're completely done as well. It's just very small, just something to go next to the urn is what I actually am making it for. So, okay, and this is a good size, because obviously, you know, you don't want it so big. And then this is also something that the family can have afterwards. So it's kind of like a glossy, and I think they came, some were glossy and some were matte. I wanted the glossy, so that was again something else that I was looking for. I don't really think we need to do anything, but maybe wipe this with a little bit of alcohol, since it's kind of got that texture to it. So we'll just give it a quick little wipe. Just make sure this don't go to sleep on me. I'm not doing a lot. I'm just gonna put a little bit on there and just wipe it down. I've not seen a video on doing these, so I just wanted to quickly do one, since I got to sort through it anyway. Okay. But this has like a tumbler or mug kind of look to it. If you see, it's kind of got that little gloss. So, alright, so that should be dry. Get this out of the way. So, the ruler don't lie. While this actually says that it is 6x7.9 inches. When I measure here, I'm just at about 7 1/4, 7 3/8. 7 1/4 for what's going to be sublimated, 7 3/8 for the whole frame. And then over here, I'm really off. I'm only at 5.5 for the frame itself, and it says it's 6. So I changed the settings. I'm actually printing in silhouette, and I changed the settings so that I'm getting about 5.29 by 7.33. Okay, so we have a much smaller image now, which should work with this. Let's see. Yeah. So I wanted a little bit of overage because my hope is that some of that ink could go down on these sides. So we'll work with that. And I'm just going to kind of cut this down a little bit. Hot tape, heat tape. Okay, so I don't believe there's a top or bottom, so I'm just gonna put it down on it like this, right? Bring you closer. So I'm just going to place it down like this, trying to make sure that I have it centered and straight as much as possible. Just kind of got a little bit around on the different edges. Scoop it all the way around. So we're just adding some tape all the way around. So let's finish taping this up, and then once I have it taped up, I'm going to go ahead. We have it on 495 seconds. Just don't even go up. Just don't even go up that much. I guess I'm going to just have to reset it 5 times. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so it is for the 400 or 500 seconds, but I can't go past 99 unless I just don't know how to do that. But I'll just be sure to do it 4 times. So we're gonna go ahead here. Let's put a piece in here. One to cover the top. I'm just going to add this tape because I'm going to have to keep putting it in. I don't want it to shift. So I'm just going to tape it down. So when it goes back and forth all those times. And let's see. So I have to do 400. I'm going to do 499 seconds. So I'm going to do this 5 times. Sets of 99. I tracked them because I couldn't really go up to 99, or let me say, I don't even know how to go up to 99. I've only used this a handful of times, and now it's in his final home, so I plan to use it more. But we're going to go ahead and move this over here. It's very hot. Revealing together. So we see some picture through it already, but yeah, so that winds up being like 7.5 minutes if my math is right, roughly, that we're sublimating this for, and we did it on 400. So we're just gonna pour the paper. We got, oh, very nice, very nice. At least I think so. something dark right here, but it's okay. Okay. Do it with my gloves in. So this is how it looks. I think it came out really nice, very vibrant, and it did what I wanted to do. At least up here. I guess I could have had a little bit more, but it was good that I didn't do it intentionally, but that I used where the image had the purple with a little bit of the white, so it just would kind of fade out and it wouldn't look so off. But if I'd have had a background where it was all pink or purple or something like that, we'd have had to take more care so that we have that overage to come over here and then make sure that it was down tight so that color would spread. But yeah, that's what we have here. And then let's just see it in the stand. Very, very nice. Look at that. Very, very nice. I'm pleased with it. So, we did a sublimation of a photo slate. And we know now that we need to measure it because it doesn't actually marry up to what the box said. It was more like 5.5 by 7 point, what was it, like 2? Something like that, as opposed to what it said on the box. And we sublimated at 400 for 499 seconds. And that's roughly around 7.5 minutes. And here we have it, and we didn't need to even use much. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you as always for watching. I appreciate you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.